Coming right up to the door. Max is looking at him like, you ought to see Max. Yeah, they're hungry. What? They're just looking for food, Sharon.
I know, but then he'll find something else for food.
Well,
another little critter or something.
man, he is really big. Look at him. Max is looking at him like, what the hell is that?
They got some big beaks, don't they?
I know. Look at his fur. He's looking around. Boy, they're staying away from him too. Look, even the blue jays keep their distance, man. God, he's big. Did you put food out? Oh, you did. You put peanuts out.
That's why he's there.
Yeah. Well, there's some cat food over there. Maybe he'll go eat that.
Some cat food.
I'll put some out for Fuzzy. Fuzzy was out looking. You don't know what to make of this thing.
He's sharpening his beak.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, look at that beak. That thing looks really
Look at those feet. Look at those claws.
Yeah.
They could pick up a dog. That ain't no Windex bird. No. Just keep your hand on the handle. Them squirrels are faster than he is. You got any lunch meat or something, Sharon?
Yeah, I don't want to feed him.
All right.
No, that's the last thing I want to do is have a turkey hawk coming around for food.
Here comes another one. His buddy's out there. I saw a shadow.
Yeah, I know. They travel in pairs.
Right. He'll be landing in a minute.
I don't even like them there.
Well, they're beautiful. Look at them.
Well, I know, but they're predators and.
Well, all animals are predators. They're all looking for food. We're predators.
I just don't want to see it.
Oh, gosh. Here we go. We're all predators, right, Max? I'm waiting for his buddy to land. I guess they don't like nuts, you know? He is so big. No, you don't.
You have to take that and show Aunt Kay.
Yeah. What is up, Maxwell? Huh? You ain't never seen a birdie like him. He's bigger than you. Max, he's bigger than you, boy.